Hello, I just wanted to say a huge thank you and welcome you personally to the Practical Design family. It's taken a huge amount of time to put together all of the information made available in this online course, and as you may have already seen, it's resulted in a large amount of very relevant information and really useful tips for you to use. Now, the 9 modules have been created to read through in order as you learn, but also for you to download and keep as a valuable reference library. So make sure that you do that as you go through the course. I know that it will be a great support for your ventures, whether you're building a new home, renovating, or maybe for those of you working within the interior design industry. And don't forget that our first Practical Design online workshop is happening soon. It's on the 18th of August at 6 p.m. You can send in any questions, and I truly look forward to catching up with you then. So thank you once again for coming on board. I really hope you enjoy the course, and please take care.